Hello everybody, welcome to my channel IELTS with Hartoor. My name's Harpreet Singh Toor. Today I am going to explain you about IELTS Task 2 topic. Statement is in front of you. In some countries, children have very strict rules of behavior. In other countries, they are allowed to do almost anything they want. To what extent should children have to follow rules? So here we go. In the rampant age, in some nations, rigid boundaries are drawn on behavior of neighbors. In others, they can do whatever they want. Former notion I think seems attention worthy due to ethics, immaturity, heritage, and sound forthcoming era. While later aspects including internal traits, independence, mirth, and success cannot be neglected. Moving to BP1, to start with, teenagers have to follow ethical and moral values because their mental level is weak, and in many cultures these are so important and pass generation to generation. Moreover, youngsters learn properly about how to respect elders and how to stay away from bad companies. To illustrate, it has been often seen that kids who follow parents' guidelines not only become obedient but also become good natives of society in future and become discipline maintainers. As a result, governance is necessary to direct infants towards right path. Now we are moving to BP2. On the flip side, in some countries, traditions, obligations are not implemented on toddlers. The main causes behind it are that their talents remain hidden if they follow fixed pattern in routine. Apart from it, independence is also necessary to fulfill their hobbies like doing outdoor activities, collecting things, painting, and many more. For instance, if babies get freedom, then they start to follow that path in which they get happiness and can do easily. Consequently, they explore their inner skills and make their career in it. To cap it all, it can be rightly said that children are pillars of nation. Rules and regulations are also required for them up to some extent. However, they should not be overwhelmed with rules and regulations on every step. Parents and teachers should give them opportunity to demonstrate or do their desired activities. It may also prove fruitful for their future growth. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe my channel.